At kasama nyo pa rin kami dito sa
Showtime Online U!
Madlang people, magkakaroon po ng auditions para sa pangmalakasang segments ng It's Showtime.
Yes, ang tawag na tanghalan ay para sa singers 14 years old and above. Open ito to all high school, college, postgraduate, and vocational students. Kailangan lang po ma-enroll kayo to any school or university.
At madlang people, ibahagi na ang inyong istorya sa Especially For You. Para sa ex-couples, dapat kayo ay 18 years old and above. Ito po ay open sa lahat ng genders.
Yes, at para naman maging searchy, dapat kayo ay single, 18 years old and above. Ito ay open to all genders.
It's true, sumugod na on April 27, Saturday sa LCC Mall, Naga, Camarines Sur from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sa April 28 naman, Sunday sa LCC Mall, Legazpi, Albay from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
At para sa ibang mga detalye ay bisitahin lamang ang aming social media accounts at It's Showtime na. See you mga kapamilya!
Yeah.
And good news to all our kapamilyas all over the world. We are now 46 million strong and still growing on ABS-CBN Entertainment YouTube channel. And because we are super grateful for your super big love and awesome loyalty, here's a super amazing reward because you can now be part of a super online community on YouTube exclusive for you, our supportive and madlang onliners kapamilya. Ayun.
Ang lamig dito!
And finally, ito na nga ulit. It's showtime. It's time to gear up kasi the most epic sporting event of the year is back once again. Siyempre, ito ang Star Magic All-Star Games. Wag na wag nyong palalampasin yan. This will happen on June 2, 2024 sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Stay tuned, madlang onliners para sa ticket selling pa natin.
Right.
Yes!
And there you have it, madlang onliners. Tutok lang sa TNT. At ito na nga, bukas sabahan nyo ang pinaka yung paborito yung online tambayan sa buong universe. Ito ang Showtime Online U!